What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Michael, back at it again with another N vlog. Today is day 8, and we're gonna go over everything N project related. Let's get into it. First things first, we go through the stats on OpenSea. We are now top 6. We were top 5, but Punk's Comics has been doing well, and now we're in 6th position. Now I want you to know, this is day 8. Day 8, and we've made it in the top 5, top 6, top 10. Right? Rome wasn't built in a day, but we built in a whole city in a week. So slowly but surely, we're making it happen. Currently, right now, the floor price is 0.6 ETH. I want to shout out everybody who's been snagging NFTs for the low, 0.4, 0.5. You guys are smart. And in my humble opinion, gonna be very, very rich. Now let's look at the stats. Like I showed you earlier, it looks like, I know technical analysis doesn't apply to this chart, but it looks like we're due for a breakout. I really do believe that the infrastructure that the community has been building has been awesome. And in the next couple of weeks, man, the projects that are going to be coming on board that are working right now, you are going to regret not being an N holder if you're not one. So stats, again, we had some FUD. We got the FUDders out. Things are looking good right now. Now, there's a couple things I want to share with you. The first one is our N onboarding page. So we have an official N onboarding page. Link will be down in the description below. Essentially, it's going to give you a breakdown of everything, right? So a link to our Discord group, a well summarized tweet thread on what the N project is, simple explanation of what N is, the links you need, the GitHub repositories, all the things that you need to build and distribute on N are here. And then we have links for support people that you can contact. And there are some Twitter threads by people who, whose opinions are great, that are shared on this website. So this is the first link I wanted to share. The next thing I want to share with you is Twitter Amplified, or for short Amplified. And this is a channel in the Discord chat that you can check out. Just got to scroll all the way down to Amplify, then Twitter Amp. Basically, this is the application process for someone to be amplified on the official The N Project Twitter. Now something I want you to know, the N Project is completely decentralized. Anybody can launch whatever they want on the N platform. But not anyone gets promoted on Twitter and gets, people to check out the project. You have to go through a voting process called Amplified. And essentially, there's going to be an application that you fill out. And after you fill out the application information is here with all the links. And then community members can come check it out, click your link, and if they think you deserve to be amplified, they will give you, a thumbs up. If not, they will give you a thumbs down. This way, we don't just push every project. We don't just promote every project. Again, anyone can launch. Anyone can come in the general chat of Discord and be like, I just launched a project. Anyone can do that. But not everyone gets amplified on Twitter, right? This is the mechanism we've put in place so that, projects, whatever person who just launches a cash grab gets promoted, right? We're making sure that we build the best procedures for the community, and this is one of my favorite ones, Twitter Amplified. So if you're releasing a project and you want to be amplified on Twitter, fill out the application, come to the Discord group, and then the people will vote on it the way it's supposed to be. But yeah, ladies and gentlemen, that is pretty much it. A lot of the updates that are going on in terms of people launching projects, I just can't share yet, but just know a lot of exciting stuff is happening. If you don't know what happened yesterday, I'll have the video pop up around the end, like on the card on YouTube that you can, on a card on the video that you can click on. If you enjoyed this video, I'd appreciate if you followed me on Twitter. The link is in the description. And also, if you thought this video was helpful, hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell, give me a like and a comment. And I just want to let you know, I'm working on my own NFT project that's going to turn to a game soon. And the way I plan on doing it, I plan on building it with the community. So it's going to be a game NFT project that is built with the community. I will share details once things are finalized. I want to make sure it is right and that it's exciting and it's fun. But without further ado, that is pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in the next one. Peace.